Okay, we're at a park right now. There's lots of stray dogs, lots of loose dogs, so we're gonna take a nice walk. Okay, now when you see an off-leash dog, which you will see out here, just keep walking, okay? It's the easiest advice I can give you. Don't approach the dog, don't really look at the dog, just keep walking and the dog will follow into place and smell your dog's breath. Here we go. He's not gonna stop and smell, because if he does, then the whole pack goes over there. And then he controls the walk, not me. He's a dum-dum head. He's not allowed to control any walks, for sure. All right, enjoy your day.